We'll guide you through how to fix being unable to join a friend's world in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you're then unable to play together, so make sure you watch the entire video to see the different methods. Now it's important to note the host will also need to watch this video as well. So if you're just trying to join it, first of all go and click play, go to friends in the top right and make sure you are actually friends. If not, you can go and add them by pressing search for players and go and add them there. However, if you have gone and added them and you are friends, the next you can try doing is fully closing Minecraft. After you've done that, click play and go and see if it then goes and appears. If it still doesn't, you want to make sure the host has definitely gone and set it up correctly, so they can go and press edit in the world, press to left and multiplayer and make sure multiplayer world is switched on. They also need to make sure that friends is enabled in player access. That's super important. If you're trying to play via LAN, make sure visible to LAN players is switched on as well. They can then go and press play and go and see if it then goes and pops up. If it still doesn't, then what they should try doing is closing Minecraft as you did and fully relaunching it, and then go and see if it then works. If it still doesn't, both of you should go and check your internet and just make sure that it definitely is working. Hopefully that will then go and fix the problem. Leave a like if you found this useful.